Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make nacho beef. First, choose about 1 pound of ground beef. An 80/20 blend works wonderfully for rich flavor. Place the beef in a large skillet over medium-high heat. Break it apart with a spoon as it cooks. Once it's fully browned, make sure to drain any excess fat. This step is crucial for a less greasy and more enjoyable nacho experience. Now, let's infuse that beef with incredible flavor. Add 1 tablespoon of chili powder and 1 teaspoon of ground cumin. Next, sprinkle in 1/2 teaspoon each of garlic powder and onion powder. Stir these spices thoroughly into the browned beef. Then, pour in 1/2 cup of beef broth and 1/4 cup of tomato sauce. This liquid base will help the flavors meld beautifully. Bring the beef mixture to a gentle simmer over medium-low heat. Stir it occasionally to prevent sticking and ensure even cooking. Let it cook for about 10 to 15 minutes, or until the sauce has thickened to your desired consistency. This simmering time allows all the spices and liquids to fully integrate, creating a deeply flavorful nacho beef. Don't forget to taste and adjust the salt and pepper to your preference. Your delicious nacho beef is now ready to enjoy. Spoon the hot, seasoned beef generously over a bed of crispy tortilla chips. Then, pile on your favorite toppings like shredded cheese, jalapenos, sour cream, or guacamole. This versatile beef is perfect for game day or a quick weeknight meal. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to grab some Little Trees black ice and other great deals. Enjoy your amazing homemade nachos.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.